Hey there, welcome back to Digital Toolcase. The new Frase 2.0 version is still in beta right now, but the official release will be coming very soon. Currently, both the old platform and the new beta are active for Frase subscribers, meaning if you're a Frase user, you can test out this beta yourself. In the first part of this video, I'll show you how it works, and in the second part, I'll delve into the new pricing plans, the fresh Pro add-on, and what changes from the old plans. Now let's dive in, and if you enjoy this type of content, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Alright, this is the dashboard of the new beta platform. Many features are still in the works, but they'll be rolling out very soon. For instance, AI templates, SEO tools, and I think the most important, bring your own key option. It means you'll soon have the ability to link your OpenAI account to Frase and use the AI model of your choice, GPT-4 for example, using your API. In Frase 2, when you create a new document, you now have three different options. SEO workflow, this is pretty much the same workflow you already had in Frase. You insert a search query, generate a document based on that query, write and optimize by hand or using AI. Blank document, this is something new and it's completely separate from the SERP and the search query. The new Frase allows you to generate unlimited documents and unlimited AI generation even if you have the basic plan. This is one of the most important changes, and as you can read here, you can optimize for SEO later. Finally, AI Article Wizard. In order to use this one, you need the Pro add-on. Not only you can generate a full article by inserting step-by-step information, and you can use SERP context, but this will also use GPT-4, and this is why the Pro add-on is needed in this case and why there are some limits based on the plan you choose. Now let's take a look first at this SEO workflow. I'm selecting this one and click on continue. Here is where I need to insert my search query. I will use this one. I found it with WriterZen. As you can see, this keyword has two weak spots on the SERP. If you want to see this weak spot and domain authority new features, you can watch the video I released 1 week ago. So let's copy this keyword and paste it here. 30 is my limit in this case. For the query I can search every month. Yes, I have unlimited documents, but I have a limit of 30 search. This changes depending on the plan you choose. Country United States, language English, and create a document. If you know the old Frase platform, as you can see, the interface is slightly changed, not too much. Here is where I can click on this start button and research this query. But until I click this button, I don't consume any of these 30 credits. So I can just write here with AI, for example. I can click on this button, start writing with AI and ask what I want here. I can also enable this SERP context, but in order to do this, I need to analyze the SERP, so use one of my 30 credits. I will show you later. Anyway, I can use AI as I want. For example, write an introduction for this article about why does my headache feel better when I apply pressure. I can click here, and as you can see, AI is working. Again, with this new version, AI is unlimited even if you have the basic plan. I have an introduction, I can click on this continue writing, discard, try again if I want to regenerate or close. So now I'm using AI, and by clicking on the space button here on my keyboard, I can access all these options. At the moment they are quite few, but obviously you will have many more options once Frase 2.0 will be released. Continue writing, section for a heading, and as you can see I have my prompt here now, write an article section for the following heading. I don't have any heading here, so I can't really use this one at the moment. But it's just to show you that you can use AI even in this way. Now let's analyze this keyword. And here it is, I have my competitors' analysis here, H2s, H3s from the SERP and so on. I have these people also ask section here if I want to include these questions in my article. I have this outline section to generate outline. This is pretty much similar to the oldest Frase. You can generate the outline using AI or explore your competitors' headings here. I have a links section with the most important links where they talk about this topic topic, and maybe I can include some of these links into my article. And I have the optimize section. It's really the same as before, but with a different graphic. Anyway, now I have my SERP analyzed, so if I use AI here, now as you can see I can also use this SERP context. You can switch it on or switch it off. So if I ask something, Frase will also use the context from the SERP. Let's try something really simple. Write the best first section for this article. And here it is, section 1, understanding the science of pressure relief for headaches, but I can also ask for sources, for example. Write a new section and give me sources citations. And as you can see, new section, acupuncture for migraine relief. I have my entire section, and here I have my sources, even with the link. Let's try if this link works. And it works. As you can see, I have a citation from Oxford Academic in this case. And this is pretty good because now Frase is connected 100% with the SERP. Here you can also see your topic score. It's 21% at the moment. If I go here on this optimize page, this is the same score. I can obviously see the status of my LSI keywords here, and so on. So this is the first way you can use the documents here in Frase, but let's go again in the dashboard. And now let's try something different. I will not show you this blank document because it's pretty much the same thing I showed you before, but without the SERP section. Let's try this AI article wizard. This is really the new feature into Frase, and again you will need the Pro add-on in order to use this one because it's using GPT-4, and you have a monthly limit for these generations depending on the plan you choose. I click on continue. And here is the step-by-step procedure. I will use the same search query, language English, country United States, process query, and now I have my SERP here. As you can see, I have my competitors. We processed 18 search results for your search query. Here I can customize this list. If I don't want some of these ones, I can get rid of them by clicking here and then click on next. I can enter my title or generate titles with AI. As you can see, I have some title ideas, but let's say I want the same title, exactly the same title as my keyword, in this case, next. And here is where I can decide which topics I want to include in my article. For the sake of this example, I will not touch anything. I click on next. Here I can generate my personal outline if I want, manually or using any other third-party tool like ChatGPT, for example, or I can generate outline with AI. I can take a look at this outline. I have some H2s, H3s. Again, I will not change anything here. Let's say I like it and click on next. And this is where I can insert instructions for AI manually or generate them with AI. And here it is. As you can see, for each H2 and H3 you have now some instruction. You can take a look at these, get rid of the ones you don't like, or maybe edit the ones you want to edit here. So here you can become really specific, and for each section you can tell AI what you really want. And this is pretty good because you can craft the perfect article if you already know what you want from your article. I will click on this next button, and this is the review before generating this article. As you can see, it's a pretty straightforward wizard, step by step. So now Frase has all the elements to generate automatically a full article. I just need to click on this submit button. Okay, it took about 2 minutes. It's not super fast, but remember it's using GPT-4 and it's generating a full article. Now I can click on this review AI article. I have a title, I have an introduction. It's pretty long for my taste. I don't really like too long introductions, but you can always edit it. You have your sections, 1, 2, here I have my H3s, here, subsections, another section with H3s. And this is my article. Now I can save to document. And now I am in this document section. As you can see, this is the score I have right off the way. 95% SEO optimized with my LSI keywords highlighted here. I have a pretty long article in this case. Yes, the formatting is not really fantastic, I have to say, because I don't really like this wall of text here. I hope they will make it better and optimize this formatting, but my suggestion is always to edit your articles and make it more human-like if you want to rank better. But this is pretty good because you already have a very high SEO score here, and obviously it's using SERP context, so this should be factually correct, and then you can do whatever you want here by using your AI commands. Remember, when you use AI commands, you are using GPT 3.5. When you generate these articles with this wizard, you are using GPT 4. And then again, you will have the ability to connect your OpenAI API key, so you can choose the AI model you want to use. Here, for example, I don't have a conclusion, so let's try to use AI. Write a short conclusion for this article. For this conclusion, I don't need the SERP context. I just need to click here. And here is my conclusion. Now, I will show you all these articles, so if you want, you can stop the video and read all these articles made by Frase AI Wizard. This is the first part. Again, my introduction is pretty long. This is the next section. This is the next one. Frase doesn't generate images at the moment. I hope they will also include this option in the future. And again, let's go down. And again, let's go down. So let's say this is the conclusion. And here I could also generate FAQ section if I want. I have these FAQs here if I want to include these ones, or I can ask AI, generate 3 FAQ questions, and here I can also enable SERP context. In this case, I think it can be useful. I just have these questions because I just asked for questions, and I can use AI to get answers for these questions. Give me an answer for the above question. This is an example. As you can see, I have a pretty good answer here. Now let's try something different. I can go here and ask for sources for this paragraph. Let's see if I can get them. And again, I have my 2 sources, so this is pretty interesting. Let's try to generate a table. Generate a table including the most important data from the above section. I don't know if it can do it. And it's doing it, fantastic! So you can even generate tables here, and as you can see, you also have some sources, in this case, pretty interesting. And this is how this new AI wizard works. Again, I really hope they will fix this formatting thing, because I don't really like this wall of text. Anyway, now I have 100% score here, and for being a beta version, it's really not bad at all. You don't have any chat section here yet, but again, this is one of the things I think they will implement, because you had a chat in the previous version of Frase, so why not including it here? And now the second part of this video, we need to talk about prices and plans, because there are some little changes. As you can see, prices are exactly the same. You can see here on the left the prices for Frase first version, $14.99, $44.99 and $114.99, and then you have this Pro add-on. The prices again are the same. What changes are these options, because you had 1 user here, 1 here and 3 here. These are the same even with this new version. With the old version, you was able to generate only 4 articles per month. You now have unlimited documents, unlimited AI words, and this is really important, but you have 10 search queries. So in the old version, only 4 documents, and now they are unlimited, and these documents were based on your searches from 4 to 10. So even with this lowest plan, you have very good possibilities to generate pretty good content. You have SERP analysis, content optimization. You can't share documents in this case. You have the AI writing assistant, and you need the Pro add-on to use the AI article Article Wizard with a limit of 10 articles per month and SERP data enrichment, and at the moment this is just to see domain authority for your competitors. It's not really something you absolutely need. So, if you don't need GPT-4, if you don't need to generate articles with just a few clicks with this AI wizard, you don't even need the Pro add-on with the new version. Obviously, you can use GPT 3.5 with unlimited words, and you will be able to connect your OpenAI API key and use GPT-4 if you want by paying directly OpenAI. The basic plan, same price, same number of articles. You can search for 30 queries here, and you had 30 queries in the previous version, but now you have unlimited documents and unlimited AI words. Here in the old version, in order to have unlimited words, you need this Pro add-on. Here you don't need it. Again, you just need it if you want to use AI Article Wizard or SERP data enrichment. And then you have Team Plan, all the same here. Again, you have unlimited AI and the same Pro add-on requirement here. I don't have the price, but I suppose the price for the add-on will remain these $35 monthly if you want to use AI Article Wizard and GPT-4. And this is it for this new Frase 2.0 version, still in beta. I think it will take about 2 months to have the official release, but if you want to subscribe to Frase, you can use both versions at the moment, the old one and the new one. Obviously, if you want, you can find the link in the description and you can try Frase for 5 days for just $1. As you may know, I really like this tool. I had it from the beginning and it's one of my absolutely favorite tools, especially if you want to generate SEO optimized content. This is not for you if you search for bulk generation, at least at the moment they don't have such an option. Maybe they will add it in the future, but this tool is really useful if you really want to craft good articles with factual data, with competitor research and so on. I really hope you found this video useful and helpful, and if so, please click on the like button, subscribe to my channel. You can watch for some of my previous videos by clicking here. Thank you very much for watching and I'll see you soon in the next video.